Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Empress D. It's nice to have you. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So this is the look that we are creating today. It didn't really turn out how I thought it would have turned out, but I still actually quite like it. So if you want to see how I have achieved this look, then just stick around.
Well, they can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for sweat.
Hello, my lovely people. It has been a while since you guys have seen me, and that is literally because my skin has not been cooperating lately. I did a facial, I broke out a little bit, and then I put like this mask, this vitamin E mask on my face, and I broke out like nobody's business. I will insert some pictures here so you guys can see basically the problem that my skin was going through, and that's not even like the worst part. Like, this is after I had managed to clear a lot of how my face actually looked. Okay, like this side is not so bad, but then if you look here, there's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just some little stuff going on here. But you know, this up here is kind of normal. But yeah, that's why you guys haven't seen me, and I apologize, but you know, your girl gotta get her skin together before she come on here. But anyways, today is going to be an experiment because I have been trying to become more creative. So while I was, you know, my skin cleared up a bit, I did a few looks, but I posted them on my Instagram. Again, if you are not following me, go and follow me here, okay? And I will also link it below. So make sure you go and follow your girl and see all the creative stuff that I haven't had the chance to put on here, just because I don't always have time to film. I'm not always in the right frame of mind to film, but I'm always in the right frame of mind to do makeup. Okay, right, so I'm just going to find the look that I am going to try to recreate today. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. I'm still going to post it regardless, but I'm going to show you guys the look that I am planning to do today, which is why I am starting with a bare face. Well, my brows done, obviously, and a little bit of base for my shadows. I went in with the P.Louise Base 5. Like, this is the old packaging because I have had this for a while. And then I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, and this is chocolate. Right, so this is the look that I am going to try to recreate. Maybe not the lips because it's a bit much with the lips, but I really love this, and someone tagged me in it and I was like, yeah, I think you guys have too much faith in me, but I'm doing it. I'm going to do it. It is Saturday morning early, and I am out of the bed, and I am going to do it. I am going to do it. Whether it turns out good or not is another story, but we are going to do it. I'm not going to do like the same shadows. I'm not going to use the same like neon pigments and stuff. I'm going to switch it up a bit, make it my own. But yeah, this is basically my look that I am going to do today. So you guys, fingers crossed, and wish me luck. Right, so for this look, I'm going to be using the Crayon Case, the matte book, and I will also be using the Mayo Pigment Stacks, which I actually do have a code for. So I will put that below, so if you guys were to purchase this, that you can get some money off, okay? Right, so in the inner part of my crease, I am going to go in with this blue right here and blend it out with this green right here. As I'm doing this, I'm kind of feeling like I want it to be a deeper blue, so I'm going to grab another palette. Yes, I grabbed it, okay? I've used it a million times, and I will probably keep using it some more times, okay? I'm going to use this blue, which is Island Gem, and I'm just going to go in where I went in with the Crayon Case blue. just to deepen it a bit, because this blue is like so gorgeous. And while I'm here, I might as well just go in with Paradise up here. And I'm going to go into this purple right here, and then this pink up here, okay? So actually, before I start my cut crease, I am going to just try and clean up some of the shadows and outline my shape. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Pray for me. Right, okay, so this is pretty much the shape that I want the cut crease to be. So I'm struggling a bit with the corner here, but I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Right, so now we're gonna go in the opposite direction that we went in. So I'll start here with the blue, then the yellow, then the pink, okay? Right, so because I don't want the yellow to overlap on the yellow up top here, I'm gonna go in with the pink and then the yellow. Right, so this is the eyes completed, like the top of the eyes anyways. I don't know yet, I really don't. Right, so I'm just going to go in with the P.Louise Base, like just what's left on the brush, like right at the bottom here for my shadows. So to me, it's not really looking like, you know, as sharp as in the picture, but it'll work. I'm just gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. So like, I hope y'all like it. Right, so finally I'm going to use the Farsali primer, and I'll let you guys know what it is that I think. This is what it looks like. Remember, I bought the travel size version because I was not about to pay no X amount of money for something that I didn't know if it would work or not. So do you guys think that's enough? What does this look like, y'all? It smells like, I don't know, cucumber, but that just might be me because I'm hungry. I wanna. I can definitely feel it working on the skin. Oh my god, yes. God, my skin feels so damn smooth. Yeah, my pores are noticeably smaller, like no lie. I'm gonna say it's worth the money, y'all. Like, I tried the Fenty primer when I was in the UK, and I liked how it made my skin feel and how it minimized my pores, and I'm kind of feeling like this about the Farsali primer. My pores are noticeably smaller, and I have like holes in my face, y'all, like holes. Going in with the Fenty foundation, y'all. Oh, another thing, guys, as I'm doing this, yeah, I never used to contour my nose. I still don't think that I need to be honest, but I have started to contour my nose from last week, and that is just because it makes my makeup look sharper, not because I necessarily feel like I need to reduce the size of my nose in no way, shape or form. So yeah, just, you know, alert guys, I'm starting to contour my nose.